So here center of the hyperbola x square by x square minus y square by b square is equal to 1 is the origin here, and the vertices are plus or minus a comma 0, and the transverse axis here is x axis and its equation is y is equal to 0 here. Okay, and its equation here y is equal to 0, and the conjugate axis is the y axis here. C axis means conjugate axis here, y axis. Its equation is x is equal to 0 here. Then eccentricity is given by e square is equal to 1 plus b square divided by a square here. And the foci, so plus or minus ae comma 0. Length of the letter sector is 2b square divided by a, and the equation of the letter sector is so x is equal to plus or minus a into e. Equations of directrices here, x is equal to plus or minus a divided by e, and the distance between the foci 2b into e, 2a into e, 2ae. In this case it is a 2ae, and the coordinates of ends of the letter sector, first quadrant ae b square divided by a. Then the fourth quadrant here, so ae minus of b square by a. Second quadrant minus ae b square divided by a, and the third quadrant here minus ae minus of b square divided by a. Second one about the conjugate hyperbola. It is a conjugate hyperbola. So center is origin here. So 0 0. Then vertex is 0 plus or minus b. Then y axis becomes transverse axis here. Its equation is x equal to 0. So conjugate axis is x axis here, and its equation is y is equal to 0, and eccentricity is e square is equal to 1 plus a square divided by b square, and the foci, so 0 plus or minus b into e. Length of the letter sector is 2a square divided by b, and the equation of letter sector, so y is equal to plus or minus b into e. Equations of directrices, y is equal to plus or minus b divided by e. Distance between the foci, so 2b into e, and the coordinates of ends of a letter sector. So first quadrant here, a square divided by b comma b, and the second quadrant minus a square upon b comma b, and the fourth quadrant a square divided by b minus of b, and the third quadrant here minus a square by b minus of b, minus of b. Okay. Suppose if you shift center of the hyperbola from center 0 0 to the some other point h comma k, then hyperbola, equation of the hyperbola is this one here. In this case center is h comma k. Then here vertex is plus or minus a plus h comma k, and the transverse axis is parallel to x axis here. Okay, so parallel to x axis here, and its equation is y is equal to k, and the conjugate axis is parallel to y axis, and its equation is x is equal to h, and eccentricity is same here, so a square is equal to 1 plus b square divided by a square. You are using this formula. So where there is x, add h, where there is y, add k. Simple. So foci. So plus or minus a plus h comma k. And the length is the same here, 2b square by mb, 2b square divided by a. And the equations of letter are vector. So x is equal to plus or minus ae plus h. Equations of direct x is x is equal to so plus or minus a divided by e plus h. And the distance between the foci, it is 2a into e only. So same here. And the coordinates, so add h here and add k. Therefore ae plus h, so b square divided by a plus k. Then ae plus h here minus of b square divided by a plus k. Then minus ae plus h, so b square divided by a plus k. Then minus of a here, minus ae plus h here. And b square minus here, minus b square by a plus k. Similarly, conjugate type formula, same here, use these results. Okay, so center is h comma k, and vertex is so h plus or minus b plus k, and parallel to y axis here, and its equation x is equal to h, and parallel to x axis, and its equation is y is equal to k. Then eccentricity is the same here, e square is equal to 1 plus a square divided by b square here, and the foci, so h plus or minus b plus k here, and length of the letter center is the same here, 2a square divided by b here, and the equation of letter are written here. So y is equal to plus or minus b plus k. Equations of directress is here, y is equal to plus or minus b divided by e plus k, and the distance between the foci is 2b into e here, and the coordinate of ends here, subject add h here and add k. So a square upon b plus h here, comma, so b plus k, first quadrant here. Then the second quadrant minus of a square by b plus h, then b plus k. Then the fourth quadrant here, a square by b plus h minus of b plus k. Then the third quadrant here, so minus of a square divided by b plus h here, minus of b plus k. So these are the ends of the letters rectum of hyperbolas here. So here distance between direct axis for this hyperbola is 2a divided by here. Length of the transverse axis is 2a, length of the conjugate axis is 2b here. And in this case conjugate hyperbola, distance between direct axis is 2b divided by here, length of the transverse axis is 2b, and the length of the conjugate axis is 2a here. Similarly, for this hyperbola, distance between direct axis 2a divided by e, Then the length of the transverse axis is a 2a, length of the conjugate axis is a 2b. And for this conjugate hyperbola, distance between direct axis is a 2b divided by a. Length of the transverse axis is a 2b and the length of the conjugate axis is a 2a.